This is a juicer. This is a blender. I'm Nora Day. In today's show, I'll explain the difference. Let's start with juicing. Juicing extracts the water and the nutrients from the produce, and it gets rid of that indigestible fiber. That makes it much easier on your digestive system because it doesn't have to work so hard. When making juice, try and stick to 80% vegetable and 20% fruit. If that fruit level goes too high, you get a rapid spike in blood sugar. That isn't great for everybody, so please check with your doctor when juicing. When making a smoothie, the blender breaks apart that fiber so the juice goes smooth and evenly into your bloodstream with no rapid spike in that blood sugar. Smoothies are more filling because the whole produce and all the fiber is in your drink. It makes them a great meal replacement and also a really good in-between meal snack. If I could give you one tip on both juicing and making smoothies, it would be to drink them right away. When you leave this smoothie or your juice out for 15 to 20 minutes, the light and the air hit it, and most of those nutrients are destroyed. So if you absolutely cannot drink your drink right away, store it in a dark, airtight container and know that you're making a healthier choice making your homemade juice. If you buy a juice at the grocery store, you have no idea how long it's been on the shelf. It could have been there 1 day, 2 days, or even longer. I hope this information has been useful. I'm Nora Day.